Can you imagine $700 billion vanished from Tesla in 2022? Most of you know how this happened, as Tesla shares lost 65% of the stock value from the beginning of the year. But let's see how CEO Elon Musk feels about this, how confident he is about the Tesla's future, and what we can expect from Tesla in January 2022. He tweeted yesterday saying, "Long-term fundamentals are extremely strong. Short-term market madness is unpredictable." Mr. Musk tweeted after Friday's evening's market close. Earlier in the week, he told employees in a message, "Don't be too bothered by stock market craziness, as we demonstrate continued excellent performance. The market will recognize that." You see, he knew the fundamentals are very strong. This is why he sent that message a couple of days ago. Tesla investors are likely to get a battery of news from the company in January that could give a glimpse of the stock's prospects for the coming year. Tesla is poised to report its 2022 full-year vehicle delivery figures in the coming days and is expected to post a record full-year profit later in January. Mr. Musk has also indicated Tesla is getting close to disclosing plans for new Gigafactory locations. Tesla's delivery numbers can really show how even in a slowing economy condition, how demand is holding up. Wall Street remains upbeat about Tesla's financial prospects. The company is projected to post a roughly $13 billion profit for 2022, more than double the prior year figure, according to FactSet, with net income to rise more than 40% over the coming year. Now, some investors have been clamoring for Tesla to use parts of its cash cushion to buy back stock. Mr. Elon Musk has indicated his general willingness to pursue a repurchase program, although he warned earlier this month that the broader economic outlook and recession worries could influence any decision. Here's what he said. He said, "It wouldn't be smart to do a buyback and then discover the recession is worse than 2009, he said. Many people feel that next year in 2023 there will be a recession, as Musk also indicated in his tweet. On another note, yesterday we learned that Tesla made a big fresh announcement in China, revealing that it is bringing 2 new models to the country. Pricing of these models will be announced on January 6th, and they will come in the first half of 2023. So what are those models? Not that I didn't say they are new models. As a result, the wait time for Tesla Model S and Model X customers in China is coming to an end, as the electric vehicle maker confirmed that deliveries of the new flagship all-electric sedan and SUV from Tesla would start in the first half of 2023 in China, and pricing for the Model S and Model X Plaid are expected to be posted on January 6, 2023 as well. So please subscribe to this channel, as I'm going to report you all the details that come. This is good move. Recession doesn't affect truly wealthy individuals that much. They typically get richer while others get poorer. Luxury goods tend to do well in bad economy. Maybe Tesla can get to its 100,000 target for Model S and Model X. I don't know. Considering the S and X don't sell that well and won't be eligible for the incentives, Tesla needs to find new markets for those 2 models. China is a good one, although 1%ers don't really need that $7,500 thing. But they're looking at sedans and Lucid, Porsche, and which don't qualify for IRA incentive. Personally, I think Tesla makes as many S and X's as they want to, and is now concerned with doubling S and X production and sales. In my opinion, the large and expensive battery electric vehicle sedan market is a small pie quantity-wise, and each year there are more manufacturers stepping up, like now Cadillac. Tesla is happy enough to have such vehicles on the market. Tesla will more need to be focused on semi, Cybertruck, Cyber SUV, and Model 2 compact, and build more gigafactories. If Tesla brings the compact affordable vehicle, that would be great. Tesla made an announcement in the Guangzhou Auto Show about this. In a post on Chinese social media platform Weibo, Tesla China highlighted that the 2 flagship all-electric vehicles are among the most advanced cars in the market today. The company added that the Model S and Model X Plaid are born to be extraordinary, and they are redefining the benchmark of automobiles. Model S and Model X haven't come to China since Tesla shut down production in January 2021 to refresh the models. Difficulty is ramping up production. Backup after the design update have led to Tesla only delivering the vehicles in North America over the past 2 years. Only over the last few weeks have Tesla's 2 flagship vehicles returned to Europe. And now we're learning that they're returning to the Chinese market, the largest automotive and largest electric vehicle market in the world. In October, we saw indications that the Model S and Model X were coming back to China when the vehicles appeared in the new Chinese government filings stating that the vehicles would be eligible for tax exemption. Now, the Chinese market was once an important market for Model S and Model X electric vehicles before Tesla cut off the supply from its Fremont factory in California. Now, all Tesla vehicles sold in China come from the automaker's Shanghai factory, but the factory only produces Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. This is going to affect the price of these vehicles. By the end of 2020, there were over 30,000 Model S and Model X vehicles in China. After a 2-year absence, the vehicles are expected to be popular again in the market, but they are much more expensive than Model 3 and Model Y vehicles coming out of Shanghai. The vehicles are not just more expensive because they are bigger and more luxurious, but they will also be more expensive because they need to be imported from the United States. The cost of transportation is going to add to the cost of Model S and Model X vehicles sold in China, which is going to start this spring. On another positive note, it appears that Tesla's efforts to push inventory units of the Model 3 sedan are working very well. Amidst reports that some Tesla stores have already sold their respective demo units, the company's website and community trackers now hint that the new Model 3 inventory units are practically sold out in the United States. This is a good news, right? With Tesla stock being battered this year, losing 65% of its value since the beginning of the year, and sentiments surrounding the company turning partly negative due to CEO Elon Musk's political statements on Twitter, which I generally support myself, the electric vehicle maker has busied itself this quarter for 2022 delivering as many vehicles as it could. This was hinted at in Tesla's order page for its vehicle, which default to new and used inventory units for now. Earlier this month, reports also emerged suggesting that Tesla has started selling demo vehicles as well. So let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think about all of these developments? $700 billion vanished from Tesla. Good news in Tesla China. But January may turn things around. And I have a report coming about that later today. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. If you found this report helpful, please give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Share in social media, share with your friends, and let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. And if you're here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and analysis.